Hey there. Let's be honest, there's nothing more frustrating than wanting someone who doesn't seem to feel the same way. You think about her constantly, check her social media, hoping for a sign, anything. Well, today I'm going to reveal 7 powerful secrets to shift that dynamic, to make her feel that same longing for you. These aren't gimmicks, they're about understanding the subtle ways attraction really works. Let's dive in. This first one is crucial, and it might feel counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. The first step is to stop chasing. Don't text her, don't call her, don't like every single photo on her Instagram. I know it's tough, especially when you're crazy about someone, but you need to create some space. Think about it, when we're constantly bombarded with something, we tend to take it for granted, right? But when something we enjoy is gone, even for a little bit, it makes us appreciate it more. Absence creates a void. It makes her wonder where you went, what you're doing, and most importantly, who you're with. This mystery is incredibly attractive because it plays to a woman's natural curiosity. Now, going silent doesn't mean disappearing off the face of the earth. Instead of bombarding her with messages, focus on yourself. Invest in your hobbies, spend time with friends, go on adventures. By making yourself less available, you instantly become more desirable. This ties directly into the last point. You've created some space, now it's time to show her what she's missing. This isn't about making her jealous, it's about showcasing the amazing life you're building, with or without her. Think about what genuinely excites you, what makes you feel alive. Maybe it's traveling, learning a new skill, crushing it at the gym, whatever it is, embrace it. And don't be afraid to share snippets of your journey on social media, not in a boastful way, but authentically. Post pictures of yourself laughing with friends, trying new things, accomplishing goals. When she sees you living your best life, it subconsciously plants a seed. More importantly, it shows her that you're not sitting around waiting for her. This is incredibly attractive to women because it demonstrates confidence, ambition, and a sense of purpose. This one can be tricky, especially if she starts reaching out, trying to get your attention. She might like your photos, comment on your posts, or even send a flirty text, seemingly out of the blue. This, my friends, is classic attention-seeking behavior, and it's often a test. She wants to see if you'll break, if you'll drop everything and come running back at the slightest hint of interest. Don't fall for it. I know it's tempting to respond immediately, to shower her with attention, but remember, you're playing the long game here. Instead of giving in to her every whim, maintain your composure. Keep your responses brief, polite, and focus on your own life and experiences. This kind of self-respect is magnetic, and it will make her even more determined to win your attention for real this time. Now, this next secret is often misunderstood, so listen closely. Creating a little bit of jealousy can be a powerful tool, but it needs to be done subtly and with the right intentions. The goal isn't to make her feel insecure, it's to remind her of what she might be missing. Remember how I mentioned sharing your life on social media? Well, this is where it comes into play. If you're out with friends and there happen to be other women in the group, don't shy away from posting a picture. The key here is to keep it natural, don't force it, and don't go overboard with overly suggestive photos. This subtle hint of competition can be incredibly effective in sparking a woman's interest. Have you ever noticed how certain scents, songs, or places can instantly transport you back to a specific moment in time? These are called memory anchors, and they're incredibly powerful when it comes to making someone miss you. The key is to create unique and positive associations with yourself. This could be anything from an inside joke, a shared love for a particular song, or even a special nickname that only you use for her. These small, seemingly insignificant details act as triggers, instantly reminding her of the good times you shared together. They create a sense of intimacy and connection that's hard to shake. These shared experiences will create lasting memories that will stay with her long after you're gone. This one's about becoming more than just another guy. It's about becoming a source of value in her life. Women are naturally drawn to men who can teach them something new, who can expand their horizons and challenge them intellectually. This doesn't mean you need to be a world-renowned expert in something. It could be as simple as sharing your passion for a particular hobby, teaching her a new skill, or even just recommending a book or a movie that you know she'll love. When you become someone who enriches her life, she'll naturally want to keep you around. It's about creating a connection that goes beyond the superficial, one that's built on mutual respect, admiration, and a genuine desire to learn and grow together. So you've followed the steps, you've created space, you've focused on yourself, and now she's reaching out. This is a crucial moment, gentlemen. This is where your emotional intelligence will be tested. The key here is to remain calm, cool, and collected. Don't act overly eager or desperate. Remember, you're a high-value man who's not afraid to walk away if he's not getting what he deserves. That being said, don't be cold or dismissive either. The goal is to find a balance between showing interest and maintaining your composure. When she reaches out, respond, but don't feel the need to immediately drop everything and rush to her side. This kind of emotional mastery is incredibly attractive to women because it shows that you're confident, secure, and in control of your emotions. So there you have it, gentlemen. 7 powerful secrets to make her miss you, to reignite that spark, and to have her thinking about you constantly. Remember, these secrets aren't about manipulation. They're about understanding the dynamics of attraction, about becoming the best version of yourself, and about creating a space where genuine connection can flourish. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on dating, relationships, and becoming the most attractive version of yourself. Now go out there and make them miss you.